Hello everyone, welcome to premiermath. In this series, we are discussing CGL mains questions from previous years. We'll be solving all these questions using speed matrix. So, let's start our session. Our first question is salaries of B, C, D and E are in the ratio 2:3:4:5 respectively. Their salaries are increased by 20%, 30%, 40% and 50% respectively. If the increased salary of D is rupees 560, then what is the sum of original salaries of B, C, D and E? Here, sum of ratios is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 14. So, answer is multiple of 14. Here, B, C, D and E are in the ratio 2:3:4:5. Take it as 200:300:400:500. Now, their salaries increased by 20, 30, 40 and 50% respectively. And increased salary of D is 560. Increased salary is equal to 560. Here, D's increment here is equal to 40%. So, if you take 40% increment from this 400, 10% of 400 is 40. Then 40% is 160. So, 400 plus 160 is equal to 560. So, which is correct? Which means here salaries of B, C, D and E are 200, 300, 400 and 500. Then sum is equal to 1400. Sum is 1400. Option 1 is your answer. A person sells an article for a loss of 18%. If he increases the selling price by rupees 144 and decreases the cost price by 30%, then there is a profit of 20%. What is the original selling price? Consider cost price as 100 rupees or 100 part. Now, he sold it at a loss of 18%, means sell price here is equal to 100 minus 18, 82 part. If he increases the selling price by 144 rupees, here don't add this 144 rupees to this 82 part. This is 82 part, okay? We got this 82 part from this 100 part, which is an assumption. So this is exact 144 rupees. Don't add this exact 144 rupees to this 82 part. That is wrong. Instead, here he decreases the cost price by 30%. So you can take the decrement of 30% from this 100 part because this is percentage. This is percentage of cost price. So 30% of 100 is equal to 30. So 100 minus 30 is 70 part is the current cost price. Now, when he do that, his profit is 20%. So, his profit is 20%. So, take 20% profit from the 70 part. 10% of 70 is 7, 20% is 14. So, 70 plus 14 is 84 part is the current selling price. But here, in question, it is given that difference between sell price, initial sell price and current sell price is 144 rupees. But here in ratio 82 and 84 difference is 2 part. So 2 part is equal to 144 rupees. Exact 144 rupees. In question it is given that difference between initial sell price and current sell price is 144 rupees. And here it is 82 and 84 difference is 2 part. 2 part is 144 means 1 part is equal to 72 rupees. If 1 part is 72 rupees, we need original selling price, which is 82 part. So 82 into 72 is original selling price, which is equal to 2 into 2 4, 7 into 2 14 plus 8 into 2 16. 16 plus 14 is 30, remaining 3, 8 into 7 56, 56 plus 3 is 59. So option 3 is your answer. Here two pie charts are given. First one shows percentage distribution of males and second one shows percentage distribution of females. Difference between number of males in B and C is 600 and difference between number of females in D and E is 900. What is the sum of females in APF and number of males in DEA? Here difference between B and C is 15 minus 12, 3%. So 3% males is given as 600, then 1% males is equal to 200. Same way difference between D and E is 18 minus 15, 3%. So 3% females is equal to 900 means 1% females is equal to 300. So we have to find out sum of females in ABF means A plus B plus F is equal to 25 plus 10 plus 14 as 49% females. And males in DEA, which is D plus E plus A is equal to 20 plus 20 plus 18, 58%. So 58% males plus 49% females, which is 58 into 1% males is equal to 200 plus 49 into 1% females is 300. So 100 is common. 58 into 2 is equal to 116 and 49 into 3 is equal to 40 into 3 120, 9 into 3 27. So 120 plus 27 is equal to 147 into 100, which is equal to 26300. Option 1 is your answer. Slant height of a cone is 20 cm. If area of its base is 16 cm square, then what is the curved surface area of this cone? Here, curved surface area CSA of cone is equal to pi RL. Here L is slant height, which is 20 cm. So 22 by 7 into R is equal to, we have to find, and here L is equal to slant height, which is 20. Now here area of base is equal to pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into r square, which is given as 616. Now 11 goes 2 times in 22, 5 times in 61 and 6 times in 66. Now 2 goes 28 times in 56. So r square is equal to 7 into 28. Now 28 is equal to 7 into 4, which means here r is equal to 7 into 2, 14. R square is 7 square into 4 means r is equal to 14. So substitute the value of r here. 7 goes 2 times in 14 and 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 2 is 88. So 880. Option 4 is your answer. The height of a cylinder is 6 cm more than radius of its base. If its radius is 14 cm, then what will be the volume of the cylinder? Here radius is 14, which is a multiple of 7. And here height is not a fraction value, which means here volume is clearly a multiple of 11. That is, check for multiple of 11 in the option. When a number is divisible by 11, difference between its odd place sum and even place sum should be 0 or 11. That is, here odd place sum is 5 plus 1, 6. Even place sum is 6 plus 3, 9. 6 minus 9 is not 0 or 11. Option 1 eliminated. Same way here, 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 8, not 0 or 11. Option 2 eliminated. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 4, not 0 or 11. Option 3 eliminated. So option 4 is your answer. That is, here 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0, which is clearly a multiple of 11. Now if you want to do it using formula, here volume is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r square is 14 square, and here height is equal to 6 more than radius, which is 20. Now 7 goes 2 times in 14. You can see here there is no fraction, and here this is 22 is a multiple of 11. So 11 into 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 14, 56. 56 into 2 is 112. Now this will become 0 right here. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. And 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 2, 0. What is the sum of central angle formed by sectors representing tiers of company F and A? Here sum of F and A is 28 plus 12, 40%. So this 40 is represented in total 100. Central angle means what will be the angle when 40 out of 100 represented in 360 degree. So this will become 0, 0 cancel. 4 into 36 is equal to 120 plus 24, 144 degree. Option 3 is your answer. That is, out of 100, 40 is the share of F and A. Then out of 360, 144 is the share of F and A. If the number of boys in school S6 are 30% more than number of girls in school S1, then the number of girls in school S3 and S4 is what percentage of number of boys in school S6 and S1? Here, school S6 is not represented in this graph, but we can find the number of boys in school S6 from this data, which is 30% more than number of girls in school S1. Girls in school S1 is 500 in number, which means number of boys in school SS is 30% more than 500, which is 500 plus 30% of 500. That is 130% of 500 is 30% more than 500. 10% of 500 is 50. So 30% is 50 into 3, 150. 150 plus 500 is 650 total number of boys in school S6. Now number of girls in school S3 and S4, which is 1800 plus 400, 2200. So 2200 is what percentage of number of boys in school S6 and S1. In S6 we have 650 and in S1 we have 1200. So 1200 plus 650, 1850. So 2200 is what percentage of 1850? 2200 is what percentage of 1850? That is your answer. 0, 0 cancel. 185 goes 1 time in 220, remaining 35. 185 again goes 1 time in 350. So remaining is not 110. So option 1, 2, 3 eliminated. Option 4 is your answer. 118.92. So 2200 is 118.92% of 1850. Volume of a cuboid is 4800. If the height of this cuboid is 20 cm, then what will be the area of base of the cuboid? Here volume is LBH. Volume of cuboid is LBH, which is 4800. And here LB means LB is equal to area of base. So area of base into height is 20, which is 4800, means 20 goes 240 times in 4800. So area of base is 240. Option 2 is your answer. Radius of large solid sphere is 14 cm. If it is melted to form 8 equal small solid sphere, what is the sum of total surface area of all the 8 small solid spheres? Here our answer is a multiple of 8 and 11, because total surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So we have to find 8 such solid spheres total surface area, which means our answer is multiple of 8 and 11, because pi contains 22, which is a multiple of 11. So first find the multiple of 11. To find that, take the odd place sum and even place sum. Difference between odd place sum and even place sum should be 0 or 11. Then it's a multiple of 11. Here 8 plus 6, 14. 4 plus 3, 7. 14 minus 7, not 0 or 11, not a multiple of 11. 9 plus 8, 17. 4 plus 2, 16. 17 minus 6 is 11. So multiple of 11. 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 4, 8. Not a multiple of 11. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So multiple of 11. So we have 2 multiple of 9. So check for multiple of 8. When a number is divisible by 8, its last 3 digit. That is, here 158 should be divisible by 8. But here it is not divisible by 8. So this is not a multiple of 8. Option 4 eliminated. So option 2 is our answer. Now, if you want to find it in normal method, that is, here volume of large sphere should be equal to volume of this 8 equal small solid spheres. That is 4 by 3 pi into 14 cube should be equal to 8 into volume of small solid spheres. 4 by 3 pi into small r cube. And 4 by 3 pi cancel. 14 cube means 2 into 7 is 14. So 2 cube into 7 cube is 14. 2 cube is 8. So cancel, which means here 7 cube is equal to r cube, means r is equal to 7. Then from this 4 pi r square into 8 is the total surface area, which is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is 7 square into 8. 7 and 7 cancel. 4 into 22 into 8 into 7 is equal to 4928. Which of the following is equal to CK minus cos A? Here CK is equal to 1 by cos A minus cos A, which is 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So sin square A by cos A means sin by cos is equal to tan. Tan A into remaining sin A. Option 3 is your answer. ABC and PQR are two triangles. AB equal to PQ equal to 6 cm. BC equal to QR is 10 centimeter, AC equal to PR is 8 centimeter. If angle ABC is x degree, then what is the value of angle PRQ? Here all the three sides of these two triangles are equal, which means angles are also equal. So these two triangles are congruent triangle. And here you can say 6 square plus 8 square is 10 square, which means both are right angle triangle. So both are right angle triangle as well congruent triangle. Now here BC equal to QR is equal to 10 centimeter. So here this is ABC. Now ABC is equal to x degree, which means here PQ are also x degree. Then we have to find out PRQ. PRQ is equal to 90 minus x degree. So option 3 is your answer. ABCD is a quadrilateral. The length of diagonal AC is 24 cm. Sum of perpendicular drawn from vertex P and D on diagonal AC is 10 cm. What is the area of quadrilateral? Here this is quadrilateral ABCD, and here diagonal AC is equal to 24 cm, and the perpendicular from the vertex D and B. Sum of these two perpendicular is 10 cm. Consider it as P1 and P2. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of this two triangles. That is, area of first triangle is equal to half into base is equal to AC and height is equal to perpendicular distance. Now sum of the second triangle is equal to half into base is common AC and height is P2. Now you can take half AC outside. Then remaining is P1 plus P2. That is 10. So half into diagonal is 24 into P1 plus P2 is equal to 10, which is equal to 120 centimeter. Option 3 is your answer. So area of quadrilateral is 120 centimeter square, which is the area of these two half triangles. Ratio of monthly incomes of A and B is 4:5 respectively, and monthly savings of A and B is 14:19. If monthly expenditure of A and B is 1200 each, then what is the difference between monthly income of A and B? Here monthly income of A and B is in the ratio 4:5, and savings is in the ratio 14:90. Then expenditure is 1200 each, means 1:1 ratio. Income minus savings is expenditure. But here if you look at the ratio, difference between 4 and 14 and 5 and 19 are not equal. In order to equalize the expenditure ratio, take the above difference and below difference. Above difference is 1, below difference is 5. Now multiply below difference with above ratio and above difference with below ratio. Now new ratio will become 4 into 5 20 and 5 into 5 25. Here 14:19. Now you can leave the old ratio. Now this is the new ratio, and if you look at this, 14 and 20 difference is 6 part, and 25 and 19 difference is 6 part. So we have equalized the expenditure ratio, which is 1:1. So 6 part is given as 1200. 6 part is given as 1200 because expenditure for each of them is 1200, which means here in both the case expenditure is 6 part, which is 1200. Then 1 part is equal to 200. Now difference in income of A and B is equal to 25 minus 20, 5 part. So 5 part is equal to 5 into 200,000. Option 3 is your answer. If x plus 1 by x the whole square is 3, then what is the value of x raised to 6 plus x raised to minus 6? If x plus 1 by x the whole square is 3, then x plus 1 by x is equal to root 3. Now take the cube of it. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to root 3 cube minus 3 root 3, which is equal to root 3 cube is equal to 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is 0. Now if you take the square of it, x raised to 6 plus 1 by x raised to 6 is equal to 0 square minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. Option 4 is your answer. Actually, this is just taking square and cubes. If x plus 1 by x is equal to k, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to k square minus 2. and x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to k cube minus 3k. So remember this. What is the simplified value of following? Here, if you look at the numerator and denominator, formula method is not that applicable. So put the value of x, y, z as 1. X plus y plus z will become 3 and xy plus yz plus zx will become 3 and xyz will become 1. So numerator will become 9 minus 1, 8. And in denominator you have x plus y 2, y plus z 2 and z plus x 2. So 2 cube is 8. 8 by 8 is equal to 1. Option 3 is your answer. In this kind of questions, putting the value is the best method. Which of the following is equal to cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta? Here, cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta plus sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Now, put the value of theta as 45. Then cot theta plus tan theta will become tan 45 is 1, cot 45 also 1. So, 1 plus 1, 2. Now, check for value 2 in the option. That is, put theta as 45 for all these options. Cosec 45 is equal to 1 by sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Then cosec 45 is equal to root 2. Same way, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sec 45 is equal to root 2. So, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So, this can be our answer. Let's check sec theta and tan theta. Sec 45 is equal to root 2 and tan 45 is 1. Not our answer. Cosec 45 is root 2, tan 45 is equal to 1. Not our answer. And cot 45 is 1 and sec 45 is root 2. Not our answer. So, option 1 is your answer. X, Y and Z are sides of a triangle. If Z is the largest side and x square plus y square greater than z square, then the triangle is a. Here x, y, z are side and z is largest side. In that case, if x square plus y square is equal to z square, then it's a right angle triangle. If x square plus y square greater than z square, then it's an acute angle triangle. If x square plus y square is less than z square, then it's an obtuse angle triangle. Here it is greater than z square, so it's an acute angle triangle. Option 2 is your answer. Here, if all the three angles of a triangle are less than 90 degree, then it's an acute angle triangle. If one angle is greater than 90 degree, then it's an obtuse angle triangle. If a plus b is 6 and ab is equal to 5, then what is the value of a cube plus b cube? Here a cube plus b cube formula is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. A plus b is equal to 6. 6 into a square plus b square. If you square the first term, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 36. Then a square plus b square is equal to 36 minus 2ab. 2ab is equal to 2 into 5, 10. Minus ab is equal to minus 5. Now this will become 6 into 36 minus 10, 26. 26 minus 5, 21. So 6 into 21 is equal to 126. Option 3 is your answer. The bar chart shows discount percentage offered by shopkeeper on 7 articles. Selling price of 7 articles from A1 to A7 is given here. What is the sum of marked price of these 7 articles? Here, sell price is given as marked price into 1 minus discount by 100 means 100 minus discount by 100. Now, from this marked price is equal to sell price into 100 divided by 100 minus discount. Sum of marked price of 7 article is equal to, you can take 100 as common factor into ratio of sell price by 100 minus discount. Here 7 sell prices are given. So 420 by first discount is 30. 420 by 100 minus 30 is 70 plus 600 by 100 minus 25 is 75 plus 816 by 100 minus 32 is 68 plus 825 by 100 minus 45 is 55 plus 425 by 100 minus 15 is 85 plus 800 by 100 minus 20 is 80 plus 840 by 100 minus 40 is 60. The whole ratio, sum of whole ratio into 100 is your answer. Now 70 goes 6 times in 420. 75 goes 2 times in 150, 4 times in 300. So 8 times in 600. 4 goes 1 time in 6, 7 times in 28. 4 goes 2 times in 8, 4 times in 60. 17 goes 1 time in 20, 2 times in 34. 11 goes 5 times in 55. 11 goes 7 times in 82. 5 times in 55. 5 goes 15 times in 75. 5 goes 1 time in 8. 7 times in 35. 5 goes 8 times in 40. 5 times in 25. So 17 goes 5 times in 85. 80 goes 10 times in 800. 0, 0 cancel. 6 goes 1 time in 8. 4 times in 24. Now, if you calculate 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 30 is 70. So 70 into 100 is 7000. Option 3 is your answer. Sum of marked price of 7 articles is 7000. What is the value following? Here sin 30 is equal to cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 means sin square 30 is equal to cos square 60 is 1 by 4. Sec is equal to 1 by cos. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 means sec 45 is equal to root 2. So sec square 45 is root 2 square. Now the value will become 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 into 1 by 4 minus 2 into root 2 square. This will become, take 3 by 4 outside, then 1 plus 1 by 5 into 3 by 4 minus 2 into root 2 square is equal to 4. This will become 3 by 4 into 6 by 5 minus 4. This is equal to 18 by 20 minus 4, which is equal to 80 minus 18 is equal to 62. So minus 62 divided by 20 means minus 31 by 10. Option 3 is your answer.